What's up everyone, we're playing Insurgency today, and let's get into the vid. Are y'all ready to chew some bubblegum and kick some ass?
Okay.
I'm ready to blow for my country.
Oh,
And Allah.
for Pakistan!
Hurry up.
Yes.
Pakistan the bun.
For my brothers!
FBI, open up! Wait!
Oh, I saw him, damn. Oh, that's terror. That's terrifying. Alright, being unlocked.
Careful, they're on the roof.
Oh yeah, I forgot. My guy's got like 20,000 smokes.
I killed one on the roof.
Oh, we're just getting sniped. Okay.
Thank you.
Gotta walk into like the corner at the house angle. Hell no. Oh no, my brother, please don't do that.
I'll hold it, Wolfie. It's for Allah.
Yeah, Allah! These guys are like walking it down. I'm just pushing straight in. I don't even care. We're gonna get kills. We're gonna rack it up. Oh my god. We're in the next game. We're gonna play Breacher because we're playing Prison, which is a very enclosed map. Alright, let's get it.
Stop!
Oh, you're dead?
Enemy spotted.
Dead. Alright, we're on a roll now.
I'm reloading. Give me cover.
I got you, my baby.
Alright, good. We captured B. Area clear.
Dead. Got him. Where are they? I hear them. Oh my god, bro. Got one.
Fuck!
No! Go, come on, guys. Push up on there.
Okay, wait, hold on.
One down.
I'm at B.
Two down. Dead. No, behind me.
Reloading.
God damn it, Bobby, I did not want to invade Iraq.
Dropping guy. Not getting good.
Have you ever flashbang somebody so hard they wanted to kill you in real life?
Jesus Christ, dude. This game is so good. Get your asses on B right now, boys.
Let's go to B. Let's go to
get
B,
it.
guys.
Let's get it.
B
Let's get
site.
it.
Run!
Shut up.
Alright, into B site, guys. Go, go, go. Move, move, move. Charge B site.
Dude, behind me? Where?
Go, charge B site, guys. Everyone on C, charge at C. Go, go, go. Move, move, move.
I don't know, man. I don't think we come back from this.
I'm at C! We're losing C!
Dude, there's 50 of them. Like little rats. Oh my god. Game. Why?
They captured C!
We're running in. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on.
Damn it! They took A!
So on fun to fight against. I have 6 rounds and I go third.
Bro, we tried.